Today's first race is on the world-renowned Thunder Speedway. There's only one path to victory. Customize your vehicle to help your team win the race. Welcome, racers, to a beautiful day here at Thunder Speedway, where we are about to begin the first of 3 races to determine this year's Custom Motors Cup champion. Racers, start your engines! Out before the race begins. Those street tires just aren't enough to hold the lead. Second place! Way to go! The next race in the circuit is the treacherous Deadwood Desert. Only the toughest survive, so be sure to customize your vehicle to win the race. Welcome, racers. It's a scorching day here at Deadwood Desert, and the race for the cup is beginning to heat up. Racers, start your engines! Bam! Tuner car pulling ahead. Getting home the lead. Oh! What a shot! Second place! Way to go! The next race is the frigid and unforgiving Whiteout Mountain. Remember that out here in Avalanche Country, there's no such thing as out of bounds. Customize your vehicle to win the race. Comes down to this. Are you the king of the mountain, or will you be left out in the cold? Racers, start your engines! And they're off! Out of the race! Avalanche! What's gonna happen? He's hooked! What a race! Second place! Way to go! Second place!